So, dear students, this is the remaining part of the 100 dresses part 2. So, now see here, Maddie turned this idea carefully over in her head. So, Maddie kept all the ideas in her head and thought carefully, for if there were anything in it, she would not have to feel so bad. So now overall Maddie also thought that whatever anything happened, that is not bad. So we should try to keep her mind silent. But that night she could not get to sleep. But at that night Maddie did not sleep. Why? Because she thought about Wanda and her faded blue dress and the little house she had lived in. Because at that time, Maddie thought that the dress of Wanda Pentrosky and also the house of Wanda Pentrosky where she lived. Because before some times, both Peggy and Maddie went to Wanda's house and saw the condition of Wanda's house. And she thought of the glowing picture those 100 dresses made all lined up in the classroom. And also, Maddie thought about the shining picture that was drawn by the Wanda Pentrosky. That was the design of 100 dresses made by the Wanda Pentrosky and all kept in the class in a proper line. At last, Maddie sat up in bed and pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. And now, overall, we can say that Maddie was felt very uneasy, and that's why she sat up in the bed and hold her forehead in a tight in her hand and thought this was the hardest thinking she had ever done. And Maddie thought that overall this was very sadly for us. After a long time, she raised an important conclusion. So, at that time, Maddie thought everything about Wanda Pentrosky, either related from the dresses or houses or environment of the house, everything. And now, overall, when Maddie felt about the Wandas, she reached on an important result. What result? That she was never going to stand by and say nothing again. That she would now oppose of the bad things, and now she was not quiet in any type of condition. If she ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up even if it meant losing Peggy friendships. She had no way of making things right with Wanda, but from now on she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. So now here Maddie decided that she would never be silent and oppose other against teasing anyone, even she had to oppose or lose her friend. Even when anyone make fun of someone, either for the name or for the dresses, in that type of case she will oppose to everyone including her friends Peggy.